going to tell you about the attributes of body tag. As body tag is used to define the body section of a web page, it is having so many attributes, but we'll be discussing only 8 out of them. As you can see in front of you, the 8 attributes of body tag. First one is BG color. BG color defines the background color of a web page. Then second one is background. Sometimes there is a need that you don't want the color to be displayed in the background. Instead, you want an image to be displayed in the background. For that purpose, we make use of the background attribute. Then is text. Text is used to define the text color of a web page. Top margin defines the margin at the top, and it is given in terms of pixels. Left margin defines the margin on the left side, and it is also defined in terms of pixels. Then we have link, A link and V link. These three attributes are basically used with the hyperlinks that we are going to study later on. So I will be explaining the first 5 tags, how they will be used in a web page. Link tag is used to define the color of the hyperlink. Then A link is used to define the active link color, and V link is used to define the visited link color. There are some default colors also, like text is by default black, link color is by default blue, A link is by default red, and V link is by default purple. Now I will show you how to use the attributes. You can see the document in front of you. Like I have set BG color as pink, text as red. Now see the effect. I'm saving it. See the effect of this document. You can see the pink color shown as a background, and welcome to the digital world as in red color. Now we'll make use of the top margin and the left margin. Top margin and left margin are given in terms of pixels. So 72 pixels make an inch. Let's take it 100. You will not put a suffix pixel after 100. Let's take it 100 both. Save the document again and press F5. You can see the margin on both the sides changes, the top margin and the left margin. Then I will tell you how to add a background image to this document. Write background is equal to. Now you have to search the path of an image by using *.jpg. Like suppose this image I want, I will right click on it, go to its properties, and in general I will copy its path. I will copy the path, put inverted commas. Here inverted commas are compulsory. Put a /, write the name of the file, lighthouse.jpg, inverted commas closed. Save the file. Just press F5. Now you can see that the image has become the background of my web page.